Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language on Adobe Express. So let's get started right away. Now you may open up the Adobe Express application on your PC, or you can also open up your web browser and then type in new.express.adobe.com in the address bar and press enter. Once you are inside the Adobe Express dashboard after logging into your account, if you wish to change your language, just click on the account icon at the top right corner and then click on Settings. Now from the settings page, you will directly see the language option. You can simply click on the drop-down menu and then from the list of available languages, go ahead and click on any language that you prefer. After choosing your language, this will translate the website into the language that you just chose right away. And now you can use the Adobe Express website and its interface within your chosen language. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your language within the Adobe Express application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.